2010 Porsche Cayenne. This vehicle came to us with a kessy control unit module problem. Um, Locksmith tried to make a key for this vehicle. Vehicle wouldn't start. It was completely dead. So it needed a kessy control unit replacement, which is the alarm module that controls your power locks, and security in the vehicle. Also controls what it is, the steering lock in the vehicle. So this car came to us. We knew about replacing the kessy, so we did. We programmed it. We used our original dealer software to program it, and after that we started the car 3-4 times, and then after that the car wouldn't start anymore. It gave us a steering lock problem. So we went ahead and replaced the steering lock, installed a brand new steering lock, also programming coded to the vehicle. So this is the key we made, and this is we're gonna test it out to see if it works. As you can see, you heard the steering lock unlock, and car runs. So if you need this service, if you live abroad or in the US and you want to ship us the modules, keep in mind you need the ignition switch, the kessy control unit, also the steering lock, and the computer if you need coding. We can do all of these for you. Take care of it for you. Um, in no time, we'll ship it back to you and get this module program, and your vehicle will be running again. Again, this is Louis the locksmith from Son Locksmith. We've been doing this for 13 years. Computer key module replacement, and we're pleased to help you. So if you need our service, give us a call, 954-464-1737. Thank you.